Hey guys, hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you guys are hungry. Today I will be preparing a General Tao vegan version with cauliflower. Super easy to do, it's delicious, the sauce is amazing, and you fry it with a little bit of avocado oil so we can keep the fats low. But of course we're using healthy fats, so I really hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. Take a look. So here we have our vegan cauliflower General Tao on a rice, basmati rice base, and I had a little bit of extra cauliflower, so I diced that up. I put it in the pan earlier, and I used that as to mix with my rice. So you can literally just make a whole meal with one full cauliflower, which is really awesome for all you vegans. And it's a healthy alternative, it's meat-free, and here it is. If you guys enjoy my videos, my recipes, do not hesitate to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, hit me up on Victoria Cult on Instagram.